Hey guys, welcome back. Let's do Pensight versus Stanstore. Okay, so I know you guys have been waiting for this, and I talked about Pensight versus PayHip, but you guys know I am Team Pensight. Okay, but there are some amazing other platforms that you can use in it, just like Pinside, okay? There's a lot of link in bios, link tree, and all that good stuff. But we're gonna talk about Pinside versus Stand Store today. So I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you would love to hear about passive income, about tools and systems that I use in my business. I really cater my content to passive income for stay-at-home moms and wives. So hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that bell so you will be the first to know. I'll give you that notification when I upload a new YouTube video. I am uploading YouTube videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so stay tuned on those days. Now, here are the passive income streams that I talk about on this channel: writing and publishing books on KDP, affiliate marketing, UGC creator, passive cryptocurrency, and digital products. All right. So now that we got into the spiel, we're going to do we're going to talk about the verses of Pensight and Stanstore. If you don't know about Pensight, all right, I have a video right below in my section, not my comment section, and in my description section, and you can learn more about Pensight. This is what I currently use as a stay-at-home mom who creates digital products. I have coaching sections, courses. So you're all about creating that passive income. You can use Pinside instead of having a website. Now, I do have a website. So I have my brand website, sharlritadeloatch.com. So I have a website. I'm not negating that you don't need a website. If you want a website, get one. If you don't, you don't have to have one. But Pensight is a great substitution for that, I believe, because you can do so much. You can run your entire business on Pensight. So that's what I like about this platform. Now let's get into Stand Store. Meet your new creator store. Let me tell you guys, I'm not new to Stand Store. I found out about Stand Store on TikTok. That's where you're going to find a lot of people talking about Stand Store is on TikTok. The person that created TikTok, I believe I'm still following him. But I remember when he first came out with Stand Store, and I actually tried Stand Store. The only reason Stand Store didn't work for me at the present time because I was so full into my service-based business. You guys, if you don't know, I have a publishing company called BWE Publishing and Consulting, and that's really what my focus was. So me using Stand Store at the time, okay, this was about close to 2 years ago. I think this platform has been around. I wasn't into doing digital products and things like that. Now that I am now, but I wasn't really into it. Okay, so here is their website, stand.store. All right, so beautiful website, very much a come up. Even when I had my account, I didn't have to pay anything. But I did. I think I had like a fee you had to pay every time someone bought something. So now they have a different type of, pricing. All right. So you can start off with a 14-day free trial. I am looking for their prices. Okay. So here, let me just give you some details here. You do have a 0% transaction fee. So 0% transaction fee. Customers can give testimonials on this platform. You got analytics of your audience. You got third party integration. All right. MailChimp. If you're using MailChimp for your email list, I think this is Flowdesk. All right. I think this is Flowdesk's Notion. I like Notion as well. I use Notion for my content calendar. This is Dropbox. And then you have, this is Loom. This looks like Loom. I think this is Loom's integration. So let's see. Integration with all your, let's click on it. Can we click on it? No. So it doesn't give me much details on that. Okay, here are the creators that are using Stand Store. So you can, click on them. Can you? Okay. So that's one thing that needs to be fixed is you should be able to click on it. Okay, here we go. So everything you need for one great price. They charge $29 a month. So you can start with the free trial. So it gives you that link in bio store. So if you are selling digital products, even if you're selling your services, you're selling coaching services, you can use Stand Store as well. I like that they have the automated calendar booking. So basically, they broke it down how much you're probably paying for each of these to do that particular thing. So just like Pinside, you can do everything in one place. These both of these sites, Pensight and Stanstore, are a creator's dream. All right, a creator's dream where you wouldn't have really have to have a website. Okay, so you can set your store up in just 5 minutes. So I love that. So it's $29 a month, and you can get a 14-day free trial, as you saw when I clicked on it. Okay. The only thing is, I would definitely like to see the creators. Let me see if I can click on them. So you probably have to go there TikTok, but I would like to click on them to see their store. I think that would be a great enhancement for this website. And I see the price here, but maybe the price should be somewhere else as well. But I'm not here to critique them. I'm just giving you a versus. So that's the difference. So let's see, with Pinside, you can do video Q&A. This is basically what you can do with Stand Store. Again, I love to see the profiles. This is what your Pensight site will look like. I personally like the customization. Let me show you guys my store, and then it will give you more of a insight. That's what Stand Store needs. They need a pricing and fee and pricing and features page on their site. Okay, so I like that I'm able to customize this here. Of course, it's going to look different if you're a visitor. It looks different on mobile than it does here on the computer. I know on the computer it looks like my face is cut off, but on mobile it looks different. I'm not really concerned about that because I know this is a link in bio, and most of the time people on their phone. So I much rather it look good on my on the phone. So I'm not really I'm not really I don't feel bad about that. So I can put my bio here, my social media here, and see what I love about Pinside is that you can embed video here, and see, I don't know if you can do these things with Stand Store because they don't have the features. Like, it doesn't tell me what the features. Now, I did pull up a Stand Store, like example. I got this from TikTok. So it looks like you're able to put, your picture here versus Pinside. Pinside, you can have a back photo and you can have your picture. You can have your bio. So I don't see that this has a bio. Not sure if that's an option. You can have your social media, which is the same here as well. Let me view this as a visitor so we can look the same. Okay. So you can, download free guides and things like that there. So you can do that. I just wish that I could click on, let's click on social. What is her name? Let's see. Let's go to TikTok. Okay, most of the time, TikTok, you're going to be on your phone, but I have mine pulled up on mobile as well. So let's see. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's search for. Oh my god. Social. What's this? Social LYK. Let's see. Social. Okay. All right, y'all. All right. So let's look at. I think this is her. Okay. Looks like she has she's a social media agency owner. Let's look at her Stand Store. Maybe we can get a good example and see if she's using it to its capacity. All right, so I like her Stand Store. She has a picture, so you can. So it looks like you can have a top picture. like Pensight. Okay, so I'm looking based on hers. When's the last time she posted? Because that way I know it's up to date. Like, can I tell when the last time she posted? A day ago. So I'm assuming she's very active. Okay, so this is up to date. So she has this. She has her name. You got your links to her other social. She has a client application. You want to be a client, text, social media bundle. She got her a demo, stream our podcast, make money with Stanstore. So this is an actual affiliate link. So you actually have a basically an embedded affiliate link, so you can share this with anybody that is in your community that wants to use Stanstore. Okay, let's check out somebody else while we're here. Where's that attorney? The attorney lady. I think I follow her. Let's see. TATLON. Let's see. TOTL. TOTLON. TOTLON. D. Why she's not coming up? All right, sorry y'all. I'm keeping clicking. TATLON. Did I spell it? Did I put it in right? TOTATLON. Okay, I want to say I know I follow her. Okay, let's look at Tots. Let's see. Let's look at her stand store because she used the stand store. Okay, so hers is pretty basic. Not saying she's not basic, but hers is pretty basic. And she just has her picture, and then she has her name, social media. She got to ask me anything. So they're like Pinside. You can have the Q&A. I need to embed that on mines, but I don't have that part. But you can do a Q&A where people can ask questions and you can send them a video reply. I love that feature, video Q&A. So yeah, you can set that up here. So it looks like Stan Store has that as well. And then she has her digital product. Okay, so you can just buy it. Now I don't know what Pop Stream is, but she has that there as well. So hers is a little bit more basic than the other young lady that we looked at. So yeah, so I just want to give you a couple of sites that you can look at. I again would love to see that Stan Store would have this clickable. So let's look at Comfort Girls Curls. I wanted to see it, so that I can just click on it. But who's gonna do that? Okay, y'all. Am I not spelling right? Comfrey. Is it Comfrey Girls? Girls. There you go. Looks like I'm not following her. I need to follow her. Let me see. Because I'm definitely a natural hair girl. So let's go to. I don't see her link. Let me refresh it. Maybe it's because I just followed her. She has 1,000 followers, so she should be able to have the link. So if you want to have the link in your bio, I think you have to have 1,000 followers. It's $1,000, 1,000 followers to go live. It's something like that with TikTok. But I wish we saw hers. Okay, but we saw some examples. I just wanted to see more examples. Let's get one of these guys, Coach Stone. I think I'm following him. Let's see, Coach Stone. Okay, he does TikTok growth. Let's follow him. All right, so we got. Okay, now his is different. He does have his picture here, so you know it's him. You can apply to work with him. So again, as far as visual wise and more that you can do, unless these creators are just not using those features, Pensight is where it's at. Now for me personally, because I have YouTube videos, I'm glad that I'm able to embed my YouTube video here so you can actually watch my YouTube video from this site, from Pinside. Okay, I love that. So you can just click it and play it, and you can watch it right here, so it doesn't take you to another site. Okay, so I'm just team Pinside. Okay, I'm team Pinside. Visually, they're updating the visuals. I know you can. I have the pro account, so I'm able to actually change this in the background. I choose not to. I leave mine white, okay? But you do have that option where you can change it, just like Coach Stone did. He has this black, so you're able to do that with both, okay? So what's the verdict? Which one? Tell me in the comments, which one are you using? Are you using Pensight or Stanstore? Are you using something different? Let me know, and we'll do a versus, or we'll do a review on them as well. Because I really really like both. You know, I like both. Stance, I'm not using both. When I first started using Stand Store, again, I wasn't into being who I am now, so I didn't really get use of it. Again, they're both a great platforms. I just suggest that you look at to see which one is going to work better for you in terms of pricing. It looks like they're both the same price, so you can get a free trial with both. With Pensight, you can get a free trial. Now, if you don't, no, they're not the same price. Let me see. Okay, Pensight, you can start with $0 a month, and you just pay the transaction fee. You can start there if you want to do the free. You don't get access to a lot of the pro features because you got pro for just $23 a month, but they charge 3% of their for transaction fee. So either you're going to pay $29 with no transaction fee, or you'll pay $23 a month with 3% transaction fee. Okay, so which one? Which one do you want to do? To me personally, the transaction fee doesn't really bother me because I know how to price my digital products in such a way where I know where how much profit I'm getting off of each digital product. Okay, you know there's a pricing strategy that you must have with anything that you price, because you got to price in your profits, and you have to price in, what it takes to make it, and you have to price these things in. So I'm all about businesses finding different ways to make money, so the transaction fees do not bother me at all. I just learn how to price my packages, okay, my packages, my coaching, and price my digital products as well. So you get a choice. Stand Store, you don't get to have, you just have a free trial, so you don't get a free option. All right, so that's why I'm team Pinside, because you have an option whether you want to pay monthly or whether you want to just start free. You may be new and you want to start free. You take the 3% transaction fee, that's fine, but you want to get your feet wet, start with Pinside. All right, but if you're established, you're like, okay, I sell digital products anyway. I have a massive following. I'll be able to do that. Maybe Stand Store might be your go-to. All right, but either or, both are great platforms. But you all know I'm Team Pinside. All right, see y'all next time.